How to fix meta verification not available on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can fix if meta verification is not available on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Instagram has this new update called meta verification. You can try to open the Instagram app, come to your profile icon here, tap the three lines option from the top right, and here you'll find the option called meta verified. So if you're not seeing this option, there could be a couple of reasons. First is that to subscribe your profile to meta verification, you need to be at least 18 years old, and you also need to actually have a public or private profile that's associated with your full name, aligns with naming standards, and has a profile picture that includes your face, and to minimum requirements such as prior posting history. So they're going to see all of your posting history and only give you this option. Now sometimes it could also be that the update has not reached your region yet. So if people around you do not have this option, it just means that it has not basically reached your region and they're slowly updating it. For this to be possible, you can try to open your Play Store. In the search box type in Instagram, check if Instagram has any sort of updates available, and make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.